you are sad? You don't like to go school?
I'm not sad. I'm just only happy. I said my daddy, I want to go school. And he's not trying to move. Then he's already moving now.
Okay then. Good.
Good.
So you are happy, huh?
Yeah, I'm happy because I want to go school again. I was wrong.
Okay.
Because my mouth. Hi guys.
How are you? Hello everyone. Welcome to my vlog,
From
guys.
school?
We bring uniform now. Bismillah.
Ngayon it's maaga guys kasi ito kompleto kaming tatlo.
Okay, you want to hold here?
Bali, punta ako ng
Don't
office late guys kasi
Masya.
pupunta kami ng school ni Malik. Kukuha kami ng uniform niya.
Okay.
Kasi mag-i-start na sila ng school sa 27 next week.
Yeah?
Kaya ayan. Malik, say hi na
Hi.
Then why you are sad? You don't like to go school?
I'm not sad. I'm just only happy. I said my daddy, I want to go school. And he's not trying to move. Then he's already moving now.
Okay then. Good.
Good.
So you are happy, huh?
Yeah, I'm happy because I want to go school again. I was wrong.
Okay.
Because my mouth is so. Because I said I want to go school now. I said
Good, Malik. Very good, Malik. Very
school
good.
already.
What your mouth? Huh? What is your mouth? What you said? Because your mouth? What?
It's wrong.
It's wrong,
Wrong,
your
yeah.
mouth. Then say hi guys.
I see that bus is ice cream behind.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
ice cream. So just say hi guys na. We are going to.
School.
Just look at here. So, okay, go. Say hi guys.
Hi guys. I already say guys.
Continue, Gani. You should say hello guys. I'm going to school.
Like that?
Yes.
My mouth still when my tummy says hello guys, okay?
Okay.
Just wait first, okay?
Okay.
100 minutes to wait.
Yala, let's go na. Just say na.
It's already talking now.
Yeah, okay, go.
Hello guys. Guys, do you hear that? What my mouth said?
Yes, of course.
What he said?
I don't know what you said. Okay, then.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Ayan si Abu Malik.
Hi.
Uy.
See, it's
Ayan,
come
guys.
small also broken in this way.
Which one?
Jam like this way.
Okay.
It's more now. I should change it.
Kaya ayan guys, pupunta na kami sa
Daddy,
school ni Man.
Daddy, the bus is broken though.
No, it's kharab zee will make repairing Malik.
Yeah, the orange bus.
Yeah, the orange bus. Yeah, very good, Malik.
But the orange bus is scrub.
Kuha kami ng books niya.
Mama,
Books.
you see that?
Tsaka uniform niya.
Mama, that bus is broken though.
No, it's not broken.
Mama, it's broken. It's scrub.
Okay, it's corrupt.
Ma, you see a hole inside?
Hmm?
You see black inside the car?
Yeah, because that one, it's the
Machine.
inside for the bus. It's not working, the machine, that's why.
Then
Ayan, guys.
where's the bus of the man? Where is he?
We saw him now.
It's inside the...
The bus?
Yes.
Yes.
Ayun guys, pakinggan nyo yung
What is he
daldal ni
doing
Malik.
inside? We need a builder. Like to fix it.
Yeah.
Builder?
Yeah.
Then why builder?
Builder know how to fix the like one. There's an oil pipe.
Very good, Malik.
Builder?
Yeah, builder know how to remove the oil pipe. They will make a new pipe then.
Very good, Malik. Very good,
Because
mashallah.
there's no fuel.
Yeah, very good, mashallah.
Builder, I think builder, it's for the building, not for the
Construction?
bus.
Yeah, construction.
But this one, bus.
Yeah, I know. Someone knows the bus is broken. Why are you looking? Close your eyes then.
Close your eyes.
You cannot see me. Only I can look on this bus.
Okay.
Ayan, ganyan ka, daldal si Malik, guys. Kung minsan nakaka-irritate din yung bunga.
Daddy, you can also watch with
Sarap
me.
lap-lapin.
Because you're a boy.
Yeah, I look in front.
Yeah, Mama, you're a girl. You're not a boy. That's why boys only watch the bus.
Okay, man.
Kita nyo yan.
Then why the red side said go this way?
It's come green now.
Minsan,
Just look.
okay din kasi nga ano.
Daddy, when the bus be fixed?
Basta
We
yung,
bus beside the
ano
bus now.
niya,
You saw
yung
it, okay?
sinasalita
Yeah,
niya,
we
tama
should go
lang sa-
straight to the bus.
Yeah.
Pero minsan
The white
kasi
bus is not
sobra
correct,
na
right?
pa.
Yeah.
That's Hamudi's bus.
Yeah, look, it's green.
Now let's go near to the bus.
Yeah. This was the bus.
Ganyan
It's here.
si Malik, guys.
But let's go. We're going. They stop.
Uh-huh.
Why you should stop?
Ah,
We cannot stop. Tingnan mo.
It's broken. Ma, did you say it was broken?
No, I did not saw it. That I think that it's not broken. The machine it's not working. That's why it stopped there.
Why is there a tooth?
Yeah, there's a tooth.
Road, yeah, man.
Because they let us to go to the doctor.
Yes, there's a clinic for the teeth.
Keys, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why there's a logo there for the teeth.
This road.
Why is that a purple bus? If you go very speed, then he will crash. You will see.
Stoy, pwede kita na. Ayan, ganyan yan siya, guys.
Really good.
Nakaka, ano din minsan kasi nga, yung bunga nga niya.
براحة براحة your head.
Malik.
Your head, دايما your head. بس براحة.
Walang preno-preno.
Daddy, that bus will be crashed.
Why, man?
Daddy, look. I see a fire truck over there.
There's no fire truck
No fire
there.
There.
That one, the one you are talking, that it's wrong, that it's not good.
Over
This
there.
one?
Yeah, over there. I will see that.
Yun yung
Okay.
minsan na nakakainis kay Malik. Kasi okay lang sana kung kami lang. Eh, paano kung may ibang tao? Sabihin ng ibang tao, hindi dinidisiplina, guys. Kaya yun.
What?
Sobraan yung bunganga niya.
Daddy,
Hmm.
that orange bus was scrubbed.
Okay, man.
And you know the orange bus is behind us.
This is another bus, yeah, man.
Daddy, the orange bus, that bus is broken.
Why it's broken?
No, orange bus,
Ewan
is
ko ba
right?
kung
You see
ilang
it's
box.
broken, right?
Ang box
Like
nila.
now, is that broken?
Hindi pa kami nakapamili
Over there,
ng mga
behind us.
gamit niya.
Yeah, I saw it. I can look at it.
Is it
Baka
broken?
itong
Yeah.
Thursday, mamili kami. Kaya
Why is there a black bus behind us?
marami
Leave it,
tayong-
man. Leave it. يلا فكر because we move now, huh?
Just
I
hold.
know I'm not holding.
Hold your son.
Okay lang sana kung
Because you still stopped.
yung bunga
Because I will move now, it's come green.
niya, pero ilagay niya
Yeah,
lang sa
that's why
tama.
that's why not move. That's why you're not moving.
I think Malik also can do it
But it's
lawyer.
green.
Because lawyer, this is the kind of mouth.
Malik? No, I don't want to come lawyer. It's too much hard.
Sige.
But in here I see
Better.
a fire truck.
Malik, you like to become
Daddy.
doctor or engineer?
I like a police officer.
Okay. You should study good math, so Baba join you in this one, okay? This one it's good because you have priority because your father lawyer. If your father officer or lawyer, it's a good use. He shall accept you, okay?
Daddy, you like a police because you're a boy. That's why you're a police.
Yeah,
like
because
me.
your daddy lawyer also, right?
Daddy, you is like me.
Yeah.
Like na lang muna
Too,
tayo.
Daddy. Also, I'm a police officer. You are a police officer because you're a boy.
Okay, my lord.
Mama was a girl. That's why he has a lorry. He's an engineer now, but he's not an engineer. He's a doctor.
She's a doctor?
Ha?
Mom, you're a doctor.
I'm not a doctor.
Because you're good. The doctors are girls.
No,
No, have also boys doctor, Malik.
doctor also, there's a boys.
More boys. You like to study doctor?
I like to study police officer.
Okay. Look at it. You should make practice sport and your body good. Okay.
Daddy, also I should write a
See,
police
it's nice for walking here, Ahmad.
Daddy, I should
There's a
call a
place for
police
walking.
officer first. I make like this.
Because
Then make
it's
it
far
Yeah.
from. See, there's a toy
Yeah,
also.
Where?
There.
Oh, look at that.
Sobrang
I
talaga
see
yung
playground over there.
Kaya hindi talaga natin narinig mo yun, narinig mo yun.
Why
kanina,
why they go
sabi
so
ko
far?
dapat si Malik maging lawyer din, pero ayaw ng papa, ng daddy. Gusto niya maging doctor, engineer.
You are near for your school now, okay?
Pero si Malik gusto niya na ang
Why
police
the car stops?
Because the signal traffic it's red.
Ay, na lang marunong na si
No,
Malik.
this one it's okay because he walk already.
Bunga nga niya talaga yun.
Can move.
I don't know paano niya nakuha yung mga,
Mama, that bus is
siyempre kami na, siguro nga talaga sa
the
internet.
bus is
Sa
behind
mga
it,
pinapanood niya kasi
moving
ngayon
too fast,
talagang nanonood
trying to
siya na.
get out.
Okay.
That red bus.
Ang parati niyang pinapanood yung mga dinosaur,
Mama, look up the bus.
mga hayop. Yun ang
Mama,
gusto niya.
Daddy, look what number is it?
Minsan papatinginin ko siya sa
20,
mga
120.
sumasayaw, kumakanta
Okay,
ng mga bata.
Boy.
Hindi talaga wala. Hindi siya
Daddy,
tatagal doon.
that bus is 2020. It has 2, then 3, then
What,
there
2020?
is 20 with it's too expensive with that bus.
Your school naman nakira.
Alam niyo yun, too expensive daw. Saan niya man nakukuha yung mga
Oh,
words
that.
niya. Alam niya kaya yung mga pinagsasalita niya na ganyan.
Don't go so speed.
Malapit na
Your school has this one, huh?
Where?
This
Ayan,
one's building.
papakita ko
The
sa
red and
inyo
the
yung
blue
school
sweat.
niya, guys. Nandito
Yeah,
na.
it's your school.
Behind us?
This one's building.
Where?
Ayan, ito yung...
Oh, yeah. But why is there yellow also?
They have yellow also, yeah, the building.
Is it? I'm wiping it.
Okay, this one, Aspire.
School, yeah.
Yeah.
Aspire, right?
Aspire and then
Then why is the car
Ayan,
so
nandito
small?
na.
You have
Nakapasok
mosque
na kami
beside
na
your school also, man.
What?
School beside
Julib,
your
guys.
mosque.
Kasi dito yung mga school, madaming school dito sa Julib.
Daddy, that truck.
Mayroon naman dun sa area namin. Kaso lang kasi...
Wait a minute.
Mama, I see a truck is a superhero.
Just wait, ya Malik.
Iwan ko ba kay Malik? Kay
Because I should don't talk.
Malik.
No, because I'm driving, not disturb daddy, okay?
No, I'm just only talking to Mama.
Okay.
Mama,
Waiting dyan.
Mama, did you hear me?
Yes, what?
The truck I see was a superhero. That truck.
Pag galing mo sa
Look.
okay
Did you see it? It's a superhero.
Ito na kagad diretso.
Daddy,
Oh.
the truck was a superhero.
Yeah, Malik, yeah.
I was holding them.
This Filipino, I said.
This the one we checked before. Hi guys, I have